Welcome to Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about arbitrary argument list, the number of parameters we can pass to Python. In Python, we can have function that can receive arbitrary number of arguments. For example, I define a function add which take arguments such as definition, and this is our add function, and we can pass in arguments such as x and y. These are two arguments, and if we want to pass in more arguments, we can use the same function by using a arbitrary argument syntax. For that one, we can specify asterisk sign with our variable name such as args, and should be args. You can name anything, variable name, and the main thing is this syntax for asterisk sign on a parameter name. Asterisk to a parameter name tells the Python interpreter when somebody call this function, pack up all the arguments in the tuple and pass that tuple into the function definition. And for example, we have a sum function which add all these arguments and return, and we can call this add function in our code. Add just 1 and 2, and also going to print, so we can print the sum of these numbers. First I'm going to run this script, save it. Also in the sum function, need to pass in our arguments, a variable name, and you can see it returns the sum of these two numbers. Now I'm going to use more parameters and pass in more numbers to this function and use print. Just gonna comment this one, so we don't need to print that, and call add function again with different number of parameters such as 4, 5, 6. Now I have 3 argument passed to this add function. I'm just gonna use save this and run, and you can see it returns us the sum of these 3 numbers. Now again I'm going to add more numbers. Now I'm passing in 5 arguments to this function. Let's run this script and see the results, and you can see we got the result 31 for all these arguments we passed to our add function. So this way you can use arbitrary argument list in Python, and you can pass as many number as you want to the function, and it will be pack up all the arguments in the tuple. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.